How to speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new tutorial video for you. Now let's begin. First of all, make sure that you have your CapCut. And also make sure that you have it upgraded to the latest version. If you do, you can then locate the app and then open it up. After you've opened up your CapCut, you can then tap on the new video option to start a new project. So tap on new video, then select the video that you want to edit, then tap on add. After you've done that, you'll find your video. Now, all you have to do for the video and to fast forward it is just click on the video. There you'll find the speed option. It's right here. Tap on the speed option and use the normal option. And you can just speed it up with the speed that you want. So you can speed it up till 100x. So there you can see that's the result. And yeah, you can do it with custom as well. So just go here, I can change it. I can see the time duration right there and fix it to the time duration that I want. So let's say that I want to make it about 2 minutes maybe. So let's keep it at that and then tap on done. And then the video should be of 2 minutes. And yeah, it can take some time rendering if the quality of the video is too high. So yeah, that is basically it. That's how you do it. Now you can export it by tapping on the export button on the top right. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.